What is up? Lock-picking newbie here, and today I was at Walmart, and while I was there I picked up a few locks to use in upcoming episodes, and one caught my attention. It's a Brinks lock. Now, I like the Brinks home security systems. I've had mine for years and I'm happy with it. Tested often and everything always works. It says on the bottom, high security. Is there any such thing? Brinks is a good name. I figured, well, let's start with this one and see what happens. Solid brass. Pretty heavy, well constructed. Got the Brinks name right on the front of it. Nice looking keyway there. I think I could probably use a rake and a rocking pick, but I'm going to try a J hook or a hook pick, I think. Key with it, and let's try it. It does work right out of the package. That's a good thing. It's like a pretty solid lock. I'm not sure about the high security though. Let's see if a newbie can pick it. I'm going to use my thin tension bar from my Banggood kit, and I'll give it a little bit of tension there. And I've got the rocking pick, but I think I'm going to use the small. This is like become my go-to pick. That's why I got the purple band on it there, so I can identify it in the kit. But let's try this and see if a newbie can do it. A little bit of tension. And getting a little something there. Let's free it up and try it again. I don't think I went down far enough. I'm feeling a binding pin. And what did I miss? I missed something. Could it be a high security lock? Let's see. Let me let them out, try it again. I think I'm using a little too much tension. I'm going to loosen up the tension a little bit. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way back to 6. I don't think there's 7. Oh, there's one way in the back there. There it is. Opened. Okay, well, there you have it. The Brinks high security padlock has been opened successfully by a complete newbie. Alright, well, there you have it. Hook pick, little tension bar, and she's open. Thanks for watching. As always, have a great day. Lock picking newbie out.